Hey guys, welcome to Dreeniied channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? So I'm going to be doing the passion twist on my hair. I purchased 6 packs of the glance braids, which is in the brand Model. I like the curls right here. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm gonna braid my hair. So I'll put my hair into the elastic bands so that it can hold more and it looks much neater as well. This is what I use for my edges, and band my hair with the elastic band. So I'm going to use this wave on my hair. So I'm going to put it on different levels. I'm going to apply the contour argan oil leave-in conditioning. Grab this hair and I'm going to form a plait onto my hair. And then we need one of the pieces to cover my hair over it and start plaiting again. I don't want to plait all of it to the end. I'm gonna stop like about here, and then I'm gonna tie it around. So I'm gonna take one of these hairs, this hair right here, out the bunch, and then I'm gonna knot it like this. I'm gonna do it again. What the ends is looking like. This is how I want it to be like. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone low voodoo, fired up like a wolf on the full moon, and we're stuck in a la-la land. The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming round in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. Now I'm finally finished doing my braids, my passion twist. So it reached up to my past my bosom area. So I'm loving it. I'm literally loving this hairstyle. It feels very light on my head. It's not too heavy, so I absolutely love it. And this is how the length is looking behind me. Guys, I told you, like, I absolutely love it. I can wear it down like this as well. Oh my god, and it feels so light on my head, which I love. Anyhow guys, I want to thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you like this video, and comment down below as well.